For tens of thousands of years, North America was a land untouched by human footsteps. No villages, no fire pits, no stories around the campfire, until a small band of ancient people made one of the most incredible journeys in human history. Today, we're exploring how the first people crossed into North America when they arrived, and how they survived the brutal challenges of the Ice Age to build the first civilizations of the continent. Most archaeologists agree that the ancestors of indigenous peoples originally lived in northeastern Asia, hunter-gatherers following herds of mammoths, bison, and ancient wild horses. These groups were tough, resourceful, and adapted to cold climates. They lived in mobile bands, crafting stone tools and hunting large Ice Age animals for meat, clothing, and bone tools. But something happened that would change their destiny, and the future of an entire hemisphere. Massive ice sheets covered much of the northern hemisphere, but this ice also trapped ocean water, lowering sea levels by up to 300 feet, and this exposed something extraordinary. A 1,000-mile-wide stretch of land connected Asia and North America. Grasslands, rivers, and tundra supported mammoths, caribou, and other animals, and where animals went, people followed. This wasn't just a narrow path. It was a whole ecosystem where people may have lived for thousands of years. New research suggests some groups may have begun moving into Alaska earlier than previously thought, possibly traveling along the Pacific coast by boat, following kelp forests rich with fish, seals, and shellfish. These early coastal travelers may have reached places like modern-day British Columbia, Washington, and even California far earlier than once believed. As the glaciers slowly melted, a pathway formed between two giant ice sheets, the Laurentide and Cordilleran. This ice-free corridor allowed humans to move deeper into the continent. Distinctive stone spear points called Clovis points appear across North America. For decades, archaeologists thought these were the first Americans. Today, we know there were earlier cultures, but the Clovis people represent one of the earliest widespread populations. Within just a few thousand years, humans reached This was one of the fastest human expansions in history. At first, groups were small, maybe 20 to 50 people. They traveled in extended family bands, moving with seasons and animal migrations. But once the Ice Age ended and ecosystems warmed, this allowed populations to grow rapidly. Within a few thousand years, millions of people lived across the Americas, forming hundreds of unique cultures and languages. They built temporary shelters, often made from hides, wood, or bones. Camps moved seasonally to follow food sources. Early Americans used They hunted mammoths, mastodons, giant sloths, bison, caribou, and smaller game. They survived with a mix of even early groups had. Temperatures could drop below freezing for months. Clothing made from hides and furs was essential. Hunting enormous animals like mammoths was risky. Teams coordinated carefully to bring them down, and one kill could feed a group for weeks. As the Ice Age ended, groups adapted by diversifying their diets and changing their hunting strategies. As glaciers melted, the Bering Land Bridge disappeared beneath the ocean, permanently separating Asia and North America. Coastal settlements were drowned, leaving few traces. The journey of the first Americans is a story of courage, adaptation, and resilience. From crossing a frozen land bridge to thriving in deserts, forests, plains, and rainforests, these early settlers built the foundations of the diverse indigenous nations that continue to shape the Americas today. If you enjoyed this look into ancient history, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what topic you want covered next.